Hey all, welcome to Unleash Dance. Today's topic is bounce. So this is one of the most important moves in hip hop dance. Bounce is the foundation of most of the hip hop dance moves. So make sure you practice this a lot and just do it out of like a routine. Like make sure you do this a lot. Alright, let's get into it. So I'm gonna face profile so you can see what's happening. So you're gonna drop onto your knees like that. You're going to bounce, 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 right? Don't go too far down that you can't come back up, and don't make it too small as well, alright? You want to explore the comfortable range that you can get in this, alright? This is the first layer. The second layer is your back, alright? You want to push the back out, yeah? You notice pushing the back out. Yeah, it's very important that you do the back goes out when your knees are bent and you come back up, it flattens out. Also, one key thing to know would be that you never really come upright fully. You don't ever lock your knees. Yeah, even when you're neutral, you're sort of relaxed at the knees. Alright? So you want to stay relaxed and pushing the back out. Yeah. The third layer is leaving the arms and the shoulders free. So don't just focus on this. You also want to leave the arms a little bit. Yeah. Leave them free. Do whatever you want with them. Good. Right. So that is the bounce. I'll just give you a little bit of more insight on this bounce. You could also bounce right to left. Yeah, you could also bounce forward. This is actually known as a rocking. Yeah, so you add the front movement on the way up to the bounce. Yeah, so try and experiment to side, front, back, wherever you can with the bounce. Yeah. And to test your ability of how much you've got to move, also try to walk with the bounce, see how much of it you're able to do. Yeah? Let's try to some music. So that was a tutorial on the bounce. Keep practicing. All the best.
Thanks for watching.
If you've liked our video,
Do like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon.
stay tuned.